All right, we're back. We got the 78 Chevy and we're working on it finally. And the steering is pretty well done. And we cleaned up the power steering pump. What do they call it, Mark? The lines. Mark's with me back there. He's rigging. We got him rigging back.
Rigging up the camera.
Rigor mortis. Yeah, we're rigging up some footage. What do you call that? The camera mounting
Systems.
the system. So let me get the light in here. I'll show you. We got some rerouting scenario with oh, we got the 40s on it. Let's get behind the camera. We got the 40s on it. It's been a little bit since that's been on there, so that's good. We're actually going to take them off here in a minute, but we got them on there. Runs like a tractor though. It's rough. All right, let's show you the routing here. Let me get the light. All right, so we got some lines rerouted here. Finally cleaned it up. It's not the best. It's pretty close to the steel. This the pressure line is, I'm gonna say, a 1/4 inch from this is a custom with a K bracket on there, buddy. Some nice welds and everything else, and then I put loom where it kind of gets close to the return lines. And not the right pump because of how the outputs are, but it should work. So we're gonna do a cold start too. It hasn't run in a while. I'm gonna say October. You watch. I'll get in there. I didn't have the battery tender on there. I'll get in there and freaking just see what happens, Mark. Oh. Now we gotta do the old YouTube walk around because it's normal, I guess. All right. Oh, it's nice. We're not running in, I don't know, a while. I think it's doing all right. Looking mean with them 40s, boys and girls. All right, we got the rig. Mark's got her rigged up. Got the old, see how she works, I don't know. It's the old, we should sell it to GoPros, a GoPro mount.